Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper and today I am going to show you how to download and install Minecraft. This is on-demand video, that means one of you have asked me some question. Okay, so today Mr. Solomon asked me how to install Minecraft. It is very easy thing to do. Okay, so let's get started. So this video has been divided into two parts. First part will be how to download Minecraft launcher and the second part will be how to install that launcher and then how to install Minecraft. So let's get started. So first part is how to download Minecraft launcher. All you have to do is simply open your internet browser. You can open any internet browser you want to. Okay. Now on Google simply search Minecraft. First link will be of minecraft.net. Open it. Now don't click on this get Minecraft, otherwise you have to log in to download your launcher. I will gonna show you the efficient way and the quickest way to download your launcher. Move your mouse over games and then click on Minecraft. Now click on try it free. Now if you are a Minecraft Windows 10 edition user, then click on Windows, Android or PlayStation. But I am a Minecraft Java edition user, so I'm gonna scroll down. Okay. Now I have to select my operating system. I am a Windows user, so that's why I'm gonna click on this download now. Now select the location where you want to download this file, this exe file. It has been downloaded. Okay. Now you can close the browser if you want. Okay. Okay. Now this is the part 2, how to install your Minecraft launcher. It is very easy thing. Just double click on your installer. Then click on next. Where do you want to install your Minecraft launcher? I'm gonna install it in my C drive. You can install it anywhere you want to. Okay. Click on next. Install. Now click on finish. And make sure this is checked. Okay. You do need internet connection to download these files. Okay. So make sure your internet is working. Okay, in my case I play my Minecraft Java edition through my Microsoft account. But if you are a Mojang user, simply log in with that account. And please make sure that your Mojang account is gonna migrate to Microsoft account. So please make sure you have migrated. Okay. So click on login. Okay, so I got some problem in my launcher. Nothing to worry, just restart your launcher. This never happened to me before. This is the first time I'm having this. No problem. Just open your launcher again if you got that same thing. Okay, you can see that the latest release and latest snapshot. But if you click on this play button, it will gonna download the files, the game. Okay, so click on play. As you can see right over here, it is downloading. So let this program, this launcher to download its files. Okay, and after that it will gonna run your game. That's all you have to do. Okay guys, so this took me around 12 to 15 minutes to install Minecraft. But don't worry, I'm gonna fast forward it. You will not gonna notice at all. Okay guys, before you go, let me remind you, I have made a playlist on how to Minecraft. In that playlist I have added so many videos like how to play your game Minecraft in full screen borderless, how to install your shader, how to make Minecraft thumbnail, and how to install Skyblock, and so many more videos. Okay, so please check the description box below for that. There will be a playlist link. Okay, and the next thing is, if you don't know, maybe you may or may not know that I am having a second channel named as Spapno, and I go live at Twitch as well as on my YouTube channel. So Twitch channel link is twitch.tv/Spapno and my YouTube channel link is youtube.com/Spapno. And I'm also in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So all the social website links are in the description box below. So please do me a favor and check it out. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. It's time to say goodbye. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.